Hello friends, today we start the chapter 14 Statistics for class 10. Solve example number 2. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Example 2. Please see here and concentrate here. Here the percentage distribution of the female data for the Union Territory of India. Find the mean percentage female teachers by all the three methods. All the three methods for group data to find the value of by direct method, passive mean method and step deviation method. Okay. So first we find the values of the data. Here the group of the data is 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75 and 75 to 85 of the data, and its frequency is 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2 and 1, and total of the significance, total of sigma fi is equal to 6 plus 11, 17 plus 7, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 4, 32 plus 2, 34 plus 1, 35. Okay, here the sigma fi is equal to 35. First we find the value of xi, that is called a mid value. Mid value means first to find the xi. Here the class interval, that is a group data, and that one is the fi, frequency of the data, that is called an fi. First in group data to find the xi means midpoint. Midpoint means mid value, otherwise class count. How to find the mid value? Mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit is 15, upper limit is 25. Addition of two numbers divided by 2. The answer is 40 divided by 2. Therefore, xi is equal to 20 for class 15 to 25. That is 20. Similarly, in this class, 25 plus 35, that is equal to 60 by 2. Then answer is 30. Similarly, here class interval is 10, 10, 10 increase. There 15, 25, 35, 45, 50 by 60 by 75. Here 10, 10 is increased. There also xi is also increased by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. And the mid value of this class is also 80. First we find by direct method. Here fi are given, xi is also given. First you remember the theory part of the data. Direct method formula is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Here fi is given, xi is given. Product of this two terms, that is called an fi and xi. 20 into 6, that is equal to 120. 11 into 30, that is 330. Now 7 into 40, that is 280. 4 into 50, that is equal to 200. 4 into 60, that is equal to 240. 2 into 70, that is 140. And 1 into 80, that is equal to 80. Therefore, sigma fi xi, sum of all these frequencies 0, 8 plus 4, 16, 24 plus 5, 29, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Sigma fi xi is equal to 1390 by direct method. For direct method, direct method से हम find करेंगे mean. Direct method, formula of direct method to find the mean. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. First to remember this formula. Sigma fi xi is equal to 1390 divided by sigma fi means sum of all frequency, that is 35, and the final answer is equal to 39.71 for direct method. डायरेक्ट मेथड से हमने मीन फाइंड किया तो आंसर आया कितना 39.71. To find any method, answer is always same. First Another method to find the for mean, that is called assume mean method. In assuming method, first you assume a mean. First you assume a mean in xi. xi में से कोई भी एक ऑब्जर्वेशन को हमें assume mean लेके guess करना है. Suppose we assume a 50 is called an assume mean. Suppose we can guess a 8 is equal to 50 is a assume mean. 50 हमारा क्या हो गया? assume mean है. तो हमें assume mean मेथड से फाइंड करने के लिए फॉर्मूला है di is equal to xi minus a. di means deviation. xi di is equal to xi minus a, but xi is equal to frequency, mid value of the given class, mid value of the class. In a group data, xi is a mid value. In a group data, xi is an observation. First you remember this one. xi is a mid value of the class. A means assume. So find the xi of the class di, find the di of class 15 to 25. Is xi is 20, but assuming is 50. 20 minus 50. xi means 20. A means 50. 20 minus 50. Their answer is minus 30. Similarly, another class to find di, 30 is xi. Di is 50. 30 minus 50, that is equal to negative 20. Similarly, 40 minus 50, that is negative 10. 50, xi is 50. A is also 50. 50 minus 50, answer is 0. 60 minus 50, answer is 10. 70 minus 50, answer is 20. 80 minus 50, answer is equal to 30. तो इसमें ये याद रखना है कि AI सपोज एस्यूम मीन हमारा 15 है, तो उससे जो छोटे क्लास है उसकी xi में क्या आएगा? डिफरेंस यहाँ पे कितना है? क्लास इंटरवल 10 10 10 इंक्रीज. तो इसमें भी क्या होगा? जो हमने एस्यूम लिया है उसका di ऑलवेज क्या होगा? 0. और उसके ऊपर जाएंगे तो 10 10 का डिफरेंस मींस नेगेटिव 10 नेगेटिव 20 नेगेटिव 30, पॉजिटिव 10 पॉजिटिव 20 पॉजिटिव 30. इस तरीके से हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो अब एस्यूमिंग मेथड से हमें फाइंड करना होगा f5 into di. f5 और di का हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना. प्लीज बी केयरफुल, xi और di का नहीं करना है. तो फर्स्ट यू रिमेंबर f5 which is fi and what one is di. ओके, ये दोनों कौन से ग्रुप है वो हमें आइडेंटिफाई कर देना है. तो 6 multiply minus 30, that is minus 180. 11 multiply minus 20, that is minus 220. 7 multiply minus 10 is minus 70. 4 multiply 0, that is equal to 0. 4 multiply 10, that is equal to 40. 2 multiply 20, that is equal to also 40. And 1 multiply 30, that is equal to also 30. Here negative number of sum is 400 minus 70. हम इस साइड कर देंगे क्योंकि हमारा सिंपलीफिकेशन थोड़ा इजी होता है. 40 plus 40 plus 30, then the addition is 110. Therefore sigma fi ui is equal to minus 470. Sum of negative terms and sum of positive terms is equal to minus positive 130. Then answer is minus 360. Put this formula in the assuming method. Formula of assuming x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divide sigma fi. Substitute value in this form. A is equal to 50 plus sigma fi di is minus 360 divide sigma fi is 35. Simplify this term is equal to 50 as it is, plus minus minus. Simplification of these two terms, that is 10 point approximately 10.29. 50 minus 10.29, that is equal to 39.71. Therefore, to find the mean for the assumed mean method. And another method is step derivation method. And how to find the mean of step derivation method? First, you remember ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h, and find another last term is fi ui. Okay, first you remember how to find ui. Ui means xi minus a divided by h. H means Class interval is between upper limit minus lower limit 25 minus 15, that is equal to 10. Therefore h is equal to 10. But xi is observation mean value of the class and a is assumed. So first you put this value xi is equal to 20, a is equal to 50, 20 minus 50, substitute value in this form. 20 minus 50 divided by h is equal to 10. That is negative 30 by 10. Therefore answer is negative 3. So ui of this class 15 to 25 is equal to negative 3. Similarly, to find the ui of class 25 to 35, therefore here mean xi is 30, 30 minus 50, that is minus 20, minus 20 divided by 10, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly, to find another numbers minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. जिसमें हमने एज्यूम नहीं लिया है उसका यूनिट ऑब्वियस क्या होगा 0. उसके आगे के क्लास में जाओ, पीछे के क्लास में, बिफोर क्लासेस है -1, -2, -3. आफ्टर क्लास में जाओ तो 1, 2, 3. ये उसकी सिंपल एक पैटर्न है. इफ द क्लास इंटरवल आर इक्वल, ओके, यू रिमेंबर दिस वन. तो 0 आएगा, हमने जो एज्यूम मिल लिया उसका ही यूआई क्या होगा, उसी क्लास का यूआई ऑलवेज 0 होगा. उसके ऊपर की क्लास हो जाएगा -1, -2, -3. नीचे के क्लास है +1, 2, 3. एंड लास्ट वन इज fi ui. fi and ui का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. fi is 6, ui is -3. 6 into -3 -18. 4 into -11 into -2 -22. 7 into -1 -7. Similarly 0, 1, 4 into 1 1, 4 2 2s are 4 and 3 ones are 3. So first here 4 ones are 4. Sum of these two terms, that is equal to -47, and sum of this negative term, that is equal to positive 11. Last to find out sigma fi ui -47 plus 11, that is equal to +36. To find the mean by step deviation method, for step deviation method, to find mean, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divide sigma fi into h. Put substitute value in this form. Therefore a is equal to 50. In this form, a is equal to value 50 plus sigma fi ui is equal to -36 divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi is equal to 35 multiply h is equal to 10. Okay. Therefore 50 plus minus -360 divided by 35. The simplification of these two terms is 50 minus 10.29, that is equal to 39.71. So if you find any values for apply any method, direct method, assuming method, otherwise step deviation method, mean are all mean are always equals. Okay, but you remember this one. First you apply first method, means direct method. Which table we draw in a code? First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, table, and last 7 1 and 8 table. Total are 8 table to find the mean of all three methods. In a first method, we construct table number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 are also given in the question, but we construct table number 3 and 4 by first method. If to solve by assume mean method, A means assume mean method, construct this table 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. To construct 1 and 2 are already given. 3rd number table, 5th and 6th number table we draw, and last third method, step deviation method, means SDM method in short. to construct 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8 number table. First table, second table, third table, 7 and 8 table to draw and to find out the question. Okay, thank you friends.